We received this GARDTECH earmuffs.
So that's the radio. That's AM. This is Bluetooth. This is auxiliary. And then this is FM. And there's a volume.
As you saw, these earmuffs come with a lot of different features. He showcased the volume, the auxiliary FM, AM, and Bluetooth capabilities. You can listen to the radio while doing some loud work. My husband loves to use these when mowing the lawn because it's so loud and he gets a headache sometimes after mowing the lawn. This significantly helps with that.
I can't hear you.
I sometimes try to tell him something and he can literally hear nothing. That's how well these work. Through the Bluetooth, he can actually play his own music. Right now, he's swiping through his playlist, trying to see what he wants to play. Get these if you're looking for some good ear protection.